Welcome to Muay Thai Ultimate Fight Course. I am Mr. Seksan Somsak, a former professional Muay Thai fighter. I am 28 years old. I was being a boxer 15 to 25 years old. Total about 120 fights. Muay Thai is a traditional sport of Thailand. It's different from other country martial art. Muay Thai allows using every part of the body, such as fist, foot, knees, and elbow, as a violent weapon to defeat the opponent in 1 second. Lots of people like Muay Thai, and a large number of them like to watch Muay Thai fighting. So Muay Thai programs have been planned throughout the years. The program may be arranged locally or nationally, and sometimes the greatest Muay Thai fighter. I am happy and enjoy creating this course. I believe many people in this world want to learn Muay Thai, as it is a popular and well-known martial art. With Muay Thai technique attack, opponent can get a knockout by a punch. It is good for self-defense by using only a fist, foot, knee, or elbow as a body weapon. The weapons are very dangerous if you know how to use them technically. This course is suitable for everyone from zero background to people with high experiences. I pay attention in detail to the lessons based on my daily experiences. What will you get from Muay Thai classes are following. First, learner will be able to use Muay Thai techniques for self-defense and protect others in critical situations. Second, apply defensive and striking skill in various forms of Muay Thai, beating people with the mean to hurt you or your opponents. Third, encourage your self-confidence and courage. Fourth, have fit and firm and healthy body. Fifth, have strong mind, strong socialization, and self-discipline. In addition, if you love it and practice, it's hard. You'll be able to make a lot of money and become professional fighter. In the video part 1, we show you how to apply your body weapon. Part 2, we show you how to strike the opponent. Part 3, we show you various forms of defense and striking. Part 4, we show my professional techniques that I regularly use to get my competition knockout. I am very glad and proud of having this chance to transfer my long-term collective knowledge and experiences to you. I believe it will be greatly useful to you, more or less for your self-defense sometime.